Richard Williams here from Williams Crawford. Thought we'd show you something a little bit interesting to us, hopefully interesting to yourselves. We've got nearly 60 years of motorsport in at the moment that we're looking after. So we're heading off to France, to St. Guano next week with some of these race cars. But the one that was just here also, we've got a lovely 1962 Austin Ely 3000 Mark II. And this back in period, in the same year, I believe the October of 62, went to BMC's competition department and was changed into a race rally car back then, prepped, I think, for the Liège-Sophia Liège rally. All its life been a rally car, race car. So alley panels, works engine in it, so it's got extended SU carburetor manifolds, balanced, big port head, straight cut gearbox in it. So lovely that it's always been a race car and still to this day prepped and raring to go. So back in 2013, Bob Neville Motorsport have owned the car up until very recently, and then a great customer, good friend of ours, bought it, took it to John Chatham's of Bristol, and they've carried out some more safety improvements on new race tyres, essentially ready to go. And that's coming in for sale. So just that it was here lined up next to our more usual Porsche. 2 3-litre SCs. So both of these, as I said, are off to France next weekend. Very competitive cars, fairly identical. Both prepped by ourselves. Adrian's is the blue one. Great customer of ours, Steve's, is the red one. So they will have a good tussle as well, being out in France on the Masters hill climb. It is part of the French National Championship, so we will do a lot of footage when we're out there. These two, my own GT3 car and also Rob's GT4. Now, similar and different. This one's from 2006/7, was built for the GT Championship. This one here is a 2016 car and has been a motorsport car all its life. So Rob is very keen to take this one to France. He should be very competitive, hopefully not quite as competitive as me, but he is. If I'm all but worried about him, if to be fair. He is running slicks, he's got wets, new seats going in, new belts going in, so this will be a lovely thing to use. The French will love it. The more theatre, the more noise that is involved, the more they enjoy it. So I can imagine the two experiences from the Austin Ely right through to this one be extremely different, but no less enjoyable whichever one you're driving. So we will make sure we keep you updated on the motorsport. Thank you very much for watching.